Felon. What's up, guys? We're doing another video. I haven't done a video in a while. Ty's working on the bike. Alfie's working on the M3. Joel has abs again. And that runs and drives. So, that's pretty much what's going on. Ty's working on his little pit bike thing. Got an oil cooler. Got some sick shock that's better than every single car shock here.
Pretty much, actually, because no one has this much.
No one has three-way. Three-way adjustables. Semen?
Right there. Look.
Damn.
Are these threaded?
Semen.
Yeah, they are.
No,
it's not the bottom.
It's the side mounts. Side mounts, dog.
It's just like, wait, okay. There was bolts there, but I don't know where one. No, there's definite semen on this.
Probably Justin, let's face it.
I saw him earlier. He was in like traffic on 123.
Alright, so the M3 we're finishing the cage install. We are putting in some harnesses, we're bolting in seats, and we're gonna make it run for iTrack for Alfred. And we'll see if it gets done. It won't, but we'll try. We'll attempt here, and I'm gonna attempt to film a video.
Don't want to break anything. There's a bolt right here. Oh, yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, that's what's
Just
that's what it is. It's
just rip it out.
A Phillips. Phillips, bro. You got a Phillips?
Nope. You got a Phillips?
Nigga, if I'm asking if I got a Phillips.
I don't think you say nigga on YouTube.
Hey, we do what we want. You're not monetized anymore. We do what we want.
Alfie's throwing my Christmas present away. Asshole.
Dumbass.
Well, they tried to get that center console out, and the bike runs, so that's good. And the Fisk showed up. What?
Because we need to get, there's a bolt on the bottom of You just put it back in the hole.
Don't we have that wrench back?
That's just way thicker now. Jesus, disgusting.
Well, let's see the stash. Alfie's worked on this for 5 minutes. We're taking a break.
That's gross, bro. I don't want it anymore.
Stash looks good, dude.
Brandon.
Boneless got hailed on.
And I'm like, what? He did?
Yeah, it's in
He
Snap.
sends me a picture of his fucking tee or his scorecard in golf.
Oh yeah, he was fired up about that, bro. We shot a really good round yesterday.
Did you go get your brace?
Two strokes off perfect?
No. Yeah.
Of course you didn't.
We went to items.
Joel, so is your car total or?
I mean, pretty much. Like, I can't drive it. It doesn't feel like it has power steering whatsoever.
Just get a new car.
Huh?
Get a different car.
If I got this TTI job, maybe I would.
This could be a drift missile now.
No, it's not gonna be that. I can get another
So can
chassis.
you move this so I can change my oil or?
It's like flat spots.
We gotta move 3 cars. Alright, so we had to make a quick Lowe's run. We had to get a bunch of hardware to mount Alfie seats. And this is just spare hardware I had laying around the garage. Alfie's new shroud harness. We needed some eye bolts, which I had, and some clips because his are just little bolt-on boys, and we don't like those. Actually, Alfie has realized we can't change these.
What?
We can't change these.
You're fixed in?
Yeah.
That's fine.
They're really expensive.
Yep, never mind then. We had a good idea, so we can't use those anymore. We're stuck with these guys.
A few moments later.
You get a new car?
So Justin just exploded.
Well, can I use your torque wrench now?
Torque wrench.
I have a 3/8 one.
I have a breaker bar. I don't want a torque wrench.
You know what's weird? We moved this up 2 clicks back.
Now I feel like I need to go
Hey Joel, what happened? Well, no, not with that. Where are we at with the M3?
M3, we tested to see for fitment with
I don't really
Alfie,
give a shit. So
and we had to move it 2 bolts back. And now somehow Alfie's gotten shorter within the last half an hour, so you have to move it 2 bolts forward again. So, yeah, that's where we're at.
Did you just not touch the pedals when you like?
I did. You did.
What the fuck?
Perfect.
What the
It was
fuck?
really perfect.
What the fuck?
Perfect for Ty at the current setting.
So Ty's the new owner.
It's kind of like,
Yeah.
well, realistically, actually, it is pretty nice, but it is so fucking.
Here,
I
do
need
the
an
wrist,
ass
do the wrist
pad,
thing.
dude. I gotta.
I don't own a torque wrench, no.
I swear to God, there was one here.
Just impact them on there.
The hell is that?
I think it's my dust shield.
On the brakes? Jesus, that sounds so bad.
I know.
2 hours later.
Boys, I think Joel got pulled over too. I don't know, but we saw one lights come on behind the M and some lights come on behind the FC.
Felon.
So Alfie, how are you feeling?
Kind of gay. Told you we get pulled over.
1.4. Actually, you're only allotted 1 mile.
What?
Yeah, I didn't know that was a thing. I mean, pretty valid though, right?
Let's not talk about this with the cops still here. What'd you get pulled for?
Tag.
This is going on the vlog.
I told you that. Oh yeah, I guess this is going on. Very loud.
Can we talk about?
Hey, that's loud as
Can we talk about how that was the funniest shit ever? Because I saw your lights pop on, and then I'm like, ha, fuck Joel, and then like,
Dude, that was like some pit maneuver tag team shit. I was like, that was impressive.
Yeah!
Yeah, well, that's.
oh god, dude.
Doesn't yours light up in the SCK? You're like etched glass thing.
No.
Is yours a straight pipe or do you have a muffler?
He's got a turn down.
It's like yay long.
Yeah.
He's got to win anything. Well, no shit. It's probably a hollow tube. That's called a muffler. It looks like one.
I love how we're talking about this with the cops still here.
They already pulled
You really pulled you over for the exhaust? Like, what?
Here's the thing. We're not gonna fix it right now. If they decide to, and they give you a ticket now, and you say he's not going over to do it, it's called double jeopardy. You can't do it.
I thought you got pulled over for your headlights because they couldn't see any light shining on Justin's
They didn't.
car.
They didn't say. They didn't say anything about my headlights. They didn't say a damn word until those fucks over there started talking about headlights. I'm like, God damn it, shut the fuck up.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they said something after that?
Yeah. Once you two goddamn idiots said
They made you
headlights,
turn them on?
they asked, they worked. I'm like, the fuse just popped.
You got pulled over because his wheels dented.
This is wheels dented.
God.
This is a time.
This is it. Dude, the maiden voyage of both these vehicles got pulled over.
That's literally what it is too, the maiden voyage.
If we just like took a right out of China Buffet, well, man,
Like
went to
I wanted
Hearts,
to do
like
initially.
the original plan.
Yeah, you know.
I could have washed my goddamn molars out because still was gunning. I feel food in there. And we wouldn't have gotten pulled over.
And, man.
My guess is they'll make Alfie drive his car home, and then you'll have to leave yours here until the morning.
No, they told me I can take it home.
Oh, you can?
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
good to be up.
I'm just waiting for you guys, so I want to drive home with actually no headlights, so people can't see.
So they were okay
Toaster
with you driving home
prevails.
without
Yeah.
lights?
Yes. Right, Justin? Toaster prevails. Toaster prevails. We need to get
absolutely.
I would never like drive the wrong way on a road to avoid a speed bump.
I went through, you get pulled for that? On the campus?
$40 to get
Was it the campus?
Yeah. It was like midnight.
So is Alfie getting arrested?
$10 an hour. Yeah, Alfie got arrested for bad registration. Alfie got arrested when he wasn't even driving his whole car.
What do you think? What are your thoughts, Justin?
It smells so bad now. It's just blast oil in my car. I hate the RX-7.
So of course, we turned the car off, deal with the cops, and then it doesn't start because the battery's dead. And now it's misfiring so fucking bad. And we're only getting 8 volts, so it's real fucking shitty. And the Clemson Police Department can go fuck themselves because, yeah, they're fucking idiots. I was told that if I drive my car again with my muffler that I don't have, but Cleary's on the fucking car, we're gonna get arrested. So Clemson can fuck off. Golden days, kids. The M's back. The FC's back.
Threatened to be arrested.
I got threatened to be arrested for a loud exhaust, which I want to say South Carolina doesn't have a fucking dB limit. So, again, fuck yourself, Clemson police.
Definitely unusual.
There's so many clapped out trucks that are louder than this. Like,
Unusual.
there's so many of them. They're used to that. They're used to that fucking thing. So that happened.
Unusual.
Everybody's back. Joel did not get a ticket. Joel is fine.
I'm fine.
I don't know how the black guy didn't get shot, and I got threatened to be
You got
arrested.
threatened
So
to be arrested. I was
there's
driving,
that.
registered.
But yeah, good times. So we're gonna have a lots of snap blog footage for this for you guys, and yeah, it's a good day.